So welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from ICSE class 8 mathematics from chapter mensuration. Okay, chapter 19 it is. So today's topic is on area of a general quadrilateral. Here you all can see the figure also. So take down the concept. I will be giving you all the formula. It is main area of a general quadrilateral. You all can see the figure of a quadrilateral also. Now to find the area of any quadrilateral, we split it into two triangles by drawing its one of the diagonal in the adjoining figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Here you can see ABCD is a quadrilateral. And what is a quadrilateral? Four-sided figures are known as quadrilateral. Okay. So now this I have made this as, now it looks like triangle, right? So we split it into two triangles. So you all can see there is two triangles, one and this is second triangle. Then AC is the diagonal. Here you all can see this AC is the diagonal. You will have to draw perpendicular DE. Now this D is perpendicular to AC and BF is also perpendicular to AC. Okay. BF is perpendicular to AC and your D is also perpendicular to AC. Let AC is equal to D. So your AC is the diagonal, let it be D. And your DE will be the H1, this is height and this is also the height. Let us take this as H2, okay, BF, let us take it as H2. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ACD, okay, ACD, this triangle, okay, and the next triangle will be area of triangle ABC. I have taken two triangles now. Now ADC, now triangle ADC will be equal to half of AC, so it will be half of AC into DE, right, plus what will be the triangle ABC, it will be half of AC into BF. Now you will have to take this half of AC common. Okay, now what is your ACD? Right? In place of AC, you all are going to replace this AC by, now what is given as AC is given as D. Okay, so replace it by D. Okay, and DE is given as what? Now this DE is H1, okay, substitute this value. And this BF, how you all got this H2 now? Because of this, okay. We are substituting the values of DE, which is H1, and BF is nothing but H2. And this will be half, D is common. In the bracket you write H1 plus H2. So this is the formula for area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to do this. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, queries, you all can comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.